Today everyone, I will explain the process of our Python code. This code solves the differential equation y double prime minus y equals 0 using the power series method, and then compares the result to the exact solution, which is cosh of x. First, we import two libraries, NumPy and Matplotlib. NumPy is used for mathematical computations, and Matplotlib is used to create the graph. Next, we define the variables. The main variables. We set n is equal to 12, which means it's approximating the solution using the first 12 terms of a power series. We also define a0 is equal to 1, a1 is equal to 0. These are the initial coefficients of the series. Then we set the range of x from negative 2 to positive 2. And we use 1000 points to make the graph smooth. After that, we create an array called a to store the coefficients. Initially, it is filled with zeros. Then we assign first two values. A sub 0 is equal to 1 and a sub 1 is equal to 0. Next is the most important part of the code, the recurrence formula inside the for loop. The formula used is a sub n plus 2 equals to a sub n divided by n plus 2 n plus 1. This formula comes from substituting the power series into the differential equations and simplifying. The loop calculates the remaining coefficients automatically. Because a1 is 0, all the odd numbers term also becomes 0. So the series only has even powers such as 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial plus x to the fourth over 4 factorial and so on. This pattern is actually the Maclaurin series of cosh of x. Then we define the function power series x. This function calculates the approximate value of y by summing all the terms from n equal to 0 up to 11. After defining the function, we generate the x values using length space. This. Then we compute two results. First, the approximate solution using our power series. Second, the exact solution using NumPy cosh function. We also print sample values at selected points to show that the approximation is very close to the exact value. Finally, we both plot results on a graph. The blue lines represent the power series approximation, and the red dashed line represents the exact cosh function. When we observe the graph, the two curves almost overlap. This shows that our power series solution is accurate within the given interval. In conclusion, the code successfully demonstrates that the solution of y double prime minus y equal to 0 is cosh of x. And the power series method gives a very accurate approximations. The power series, this is the code. We're going to run this code. And this is the output. That's all. Thank you.